If you want to go ahead and then make a post but don't want to immediately post it anyways, one way to actually go ahead about that is by saving a draft. But let's say what you want to do is you want to actually schedule a post. In that case, you can schedule a post after you make it as well. So you can open up an existing draft or make one of your own. But in my case, I'm just going to go around over here onto all posts, and let's just go around onto a draft post that I already have right here. So now what you can go ahead and do is create out your post as well, or use a draft just like this, and then go around and click on the publish button. So once you go around onto the publish button, over here on the right hand side, you can see that publish right now by default is selected as immediately. But I can go ahead and click right here, and then what I can simply do is I can go and choose a time as I like. But what I can also do is, let's say for example, choose another date right here, and then that particular date is selected. You can also choose a month and date right here as you want, AM or PM, and then let's say for example, go ahead and type in the time as well, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that you can see that the post button changes out into a schedule button. So you can go ahead and click, and then what happens is that it simply goes ahead and schedules out your post right there. So now if I were to go ahead and view the post, you can see that I can see the post over here, but it is not there on the main site. So if I were to go around over here, it is the schedule. So let's just go around and visit out the site right here. The post is not there, as you can see right here. It is on the schedule section. So if I were to go around over here onto the all post section, you can see that one post is scheduled, and you can go ahead and change around the schedule as you want as well by editing it out as well. And that is how you can go ahead and do post scheduling inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.